Double-hung windows are a popular choice for Clearwater homeowners, offering timeless design, excellent ventilation, and energy efficiency. However, like any feature in your home, windows don't last forever. Clearwater's coastal climate, with its salty air, high humidity, and occasional storms, can take a toll on your windows over time. Knowing when to replace your double-hung windows is essential for maintaining comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Here are 5 key signs it's time to replace your double-hung windows in Clearwater. Drafts or air leaks. Feeling a draft near your windows is one of the most common indicators that they're no longer sealing properly. Over time, wear and tear can cause the frame, sash, or weather stripping to degrade, allowing outside air to seep in. How drafts affect your home. Higher energy bills. Drafty windows force your HVAC system to work harder, leading to increased energy costs. Uncomfortable rooms. Uneven temperatures and cold spots make your home less comfortable, especially during Clearwater's humid summers or cooler winters. Increased humidity. Air leaks can allow humid air to enter, contributing to higher indoor moisture levels and potential mold growth. If you notice drafts, it's time to consider replacing your double-hung windows with new, energy-efficient options. Difficult operation. Double-hung windows are designed for smooth operation, with sashes that slide up and down effortlessly. However, age, wear, and environmental factors can cause them to stick, jam, or fail to stay open. Signs of operational issues. Sticky sashes. If your windows are difficult to open or close, it may indicate warped frames or broken hardware. Sashes that don't stay open. Loose or damaged balance mechanisms can cause sashes to slide shut unintentionally, creating safety concerns. Rust or corrosion. Exposure to Clearwater's salty air can corrode metal parts, making windows harder to operate. Replacing your windows ensures they function properly, providing the convenience and ventilation you need. Visible damage or decay. Clearwater's coastal weather can take a toll on your windows, especially if they're made of materials like wood, which can rot or warp over time. Signs of visible damage. Rotting frames or sashes. Wood frames are prone to rot when exposed to moisture and humidity, leading to weakened structures and poor insulation. Cracked or broken glass. Damaged glass reduces energy efficiency and compromises security. Warped or bent frames. Frames that no longer fit properly can cause air leaks and make your windows difficult to operate. Replacing damaged windows not only restores their functionality but also enhances your home's appearance. Poor energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is crucial in Clearwater's warm climate, where cooling costs can skyrocket during the summer. Older double-hung windows may lack the insulation and technology needed to keep your home comfortable and energy efficient. Signs of energy inefficiency. High energy bills. If your cooling costs are consistently high, your windows may be letting in too much heat or failing to keep cool air inside. Condensation between panes. Double-pane windows with failed seals allow moisture to collect between the panes, reducing insulation and visibility. Outdated glass. Single-pane or non-insulated glass offers little protection against Clearwater's heat and UV rays. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient double-hung windows with low-E coatings and insulated glass can save you money and improve comfort. Decreased curb appeal. Your windows play a significant role in your home's exterior appearance. Worn or outdated double-hung windows can detract from your home's curb appeal and overall value. Signs of declining curb appeal. Faded or peeling paint. Weathered frames can make your home look neglected. Mismatched styles. If your windows no longer match your home's updated design, they can make the exterior look disjointed. Cloudy or dirty-looking glass. Permanent stains or condensation between panes can make your windows appear dull and aged. Replacing your windows with sleek, modern double-hung designs enhances your home's aesthetic and boosts its market value. Conclusion. Knowing when to replace your double-hung windows is essential for maintaining a comfortable, energy-efficient, and beautiful home in Clearwater. From drafts and operational issues to visible damage and declining energy efficiency, these signs indicate it's time for an upgrade. Modern double-hung windows offer advanced features like low-E glass, insulated frames, and durable materials that stand up to Clearwater's coastal climate. If you've noticed any of these signs, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater to explore replacement options. With expert guidance and high-quality products, you can enjoy new double-hung windows that enhance your home's comfort, curb appeal, and energy efficiency for years to come.